Hi, my name is Sierra Powell with code 541 Crossfit here in Oregon, doing coach development homework number 4 this week. We were supposed to write out a timeline, choose a workout, find the stimulus time cap for this workout. I chose, if you can see here, bear with me in my whiteboard in my kitchen. I chose 4 times the 60 air squats, 10 shoulder to overhead, 50 air squats, 15 shoulder to overhead, 40 air squats, 20 shoulder to overhead. Prescribed weight 135 for guys, 95 for ladies. I came up with a 10 to 12 minute time cap. I know the stimulus was 5 to 9. I just took into consideration breaks, resting, the weight's a little bit heavier for the ladies. How I broke this down is air squats will take about 1 to 2 seconds. So that's 60 seconds for that first air squat. That 10 shoulder to overhead, 2 to 3 seconds, that's 30 seconds. You can see I broke down here, 50 would take 50 seconds, obviously 40. Once we get into our ascending ladder, descending ladder here, ascending ladder here, we're gonna see breaks, maybe broken up into 2 sets, 2-3 sets maybe. Our legs are gonna be fatigued from those air squats. So I took all that into consideration coming up with the time cap of 10 to 12 minutes. It would be, I did the math with all of this. If you took no rest and just went all out, it would be 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So maybe a CrossFit Games athlete or a more advanced athlete. My timeline, I put a 5-minute whiteboard brief, ask them questions, they can ask me questions, go over everything really good. And then I threw a Tabata in there to get the body warmed up. That could be core, that could be on a machine, getting that heart rate up. Then I put the general warm-up 20-minute mark, just getting the body moving, doing some stretching maybe. And then I jumped to the strength-specific warm-up, okay? Putting us at 35 minutes. I wanted to give plenty of time to go over that shoulder to the overhead, making sure all the athletes knew how to do the shoulder to overhead with proper technique. Then I did a 5-minute test round, potty break, test a few air squats, test a few shoulder to overhead, warm that up to get us to that